This is the Doosan SVM 4100 machining centre from Mills CNC. Now this machine can be seen at the MACH exhibition in April, where Mills CNC's stand will be located in Hall 19, stand 100. In fact, there'll be no less than 16 machines on their stand, of which 7 are new. And guess what? Their stand is the biggest at the event. So what is the Doosan SVM 4100? Well, it's a high-speed, highly efficient, compact vertical machining centre with 0.7G acceleration and deceleration rates, a 12,000 RPM spindle and a tool change time of just 1.3 seconds. It's easy to begin to see where this machine fits in a machine shop. Primarily aimed at the high-speed machining of aluminium, this machine is also capable of machining steels thanks to its powerful 18.5 kilowatt spindle motor and the machine's construction. Other features that this machine is equipped with include a 30-station ATC, a Big Plus BT40 spindle. It also, as standard, has thermal compensation and a grease lubrication system which eliminates the need for an oil skimmer. Now the machine also comes equipped as standard with the Doosan Fanuc I+ control with a 15-inch touchscreen and Doosan's easy operation package. Now the focus of this new vertical machining centre from Doosan and Mills CNC is to help manufacturers reduce part processing and non-cut times, whilst producing quality parts over long periods. Now if you want to see this machine in action, visit Mills CNC's stand at the MACH exhibition at the NEC in April in Hall 19, stand 100.